Okay, bonjour, y'all. You have a couple things to work on today, okay? First thing is talking about la ville. This particular ville is Springfield, okay? So, some of you will know what that is, some of you won't. Remember our reading strategies, okay? Look at the items that you're going to answer first. So like these, this is vrai ou faux, true or false. Each item here is talking about a place or an activity that's done in Springfield. So when you go back up here, look for these key words, okay, to help answer those questions. Then, on the flip side, okay, you're going to try to find all of these words in French. They're written in English, like, I love this town. So how would I say that I love this town in French? J'adore cette ville. J'aime cette ville. Okay, so that's up to you. All right, find these phrases in French. Do not use a translator. You don't need your phones for this. You may use your notes so you can look back at those items. Then here, okay, these phrases are not in the text, okay, but there is a word that is highlighted in darker ink. That's the word that you're going to change. So instead of saying, I love this town, and you find it in the text, you're going to say, I hate this town. How would you say, I hate this town? Je déteste cette ville, okay? So you're changing one word in here, the one that's highlighted, the one that's darkened, all right? So if you cannot find it, it should be in your notes. Look at your notes, and then at the very bottom, you're pushing yourself to write 8 sentences about your town. What's the town? You can choose the town you grew up in. You can choose this town. What are some things that you would say about Lexington? Okay, la ville est... Okay, use this side right here to write out your sentences. Do not copy exactly from here for your sentences. Think about how you want to describe your town. I don't want these words. I already have these words. Okay? Now, second thing you're going to work on today is a word crossword dealing with places in town. So use your time wisely. Finish that, because this is going home as homework. And this video will be posted on Edmodo, so you'll be able to see it in that day's items as well. But remember, we're working with present tense, okay? This shows joue, je joue, tu joues, il joue, nous jouons, vous jouez, elle joue, okay? These are all items that follow the same pattern. These are ER verbs, okay? So you remember, you change it according to who is talking. You change the verb to fit according to who is talking. Then down here, you're answering the question if it's logical. So oui or non. Il fait très chaud au Canada en hiver. Okay? Again, use your vocab. Go back to your notes if you need to. And then you are rewriting the question if it's logical or not, okay? So if it's logical, then you just put yes, that's fine. If it's not logical, then you have to change it to fit. So, il fait très chaud au Canada en hiver. Très chaud? No. Il fait très froid, right? So all I have to do is substitute one word, okay? So you guys got that. Now, the second part of that page, flip it over. You have the words souvent, quelquefois, une fois par semaine, de temps en temps, d'habitude, rarement, et ne jamais. Things that we've already been working with, okay? So here, they're putting them in a conversation, and then you are answering how often or how many times a week each person does each activity, okay? Finish your work. Be sure you turn it in. Mettez vos noms sur le papier. Okay? And à bientôt. Okay?